Welcome to Iffy Angler TV. Today we will try to catch certain major fish on pole fishing carbon rod from the rocks. So let's go and try it how it will work. That seems a night weather, so our hooks are ready and we throw it. So not too much weight. That's the first one hook on. Is a nice size, but it's just for experience purpose. This is the picture what you can see how it's look like. A beautiful fish. So we release. It's catch and release purpose. So that's the second one. Cast out. Wait for it. Let's hook on the second one. What we need for this fish, only the dough, flour or bread, what you can have. So it was my first experience and it's very good. You always have to have the clip with you so you can hold the fish. Again, ready, cast out, just wait. You can see the floater. Let's hook on number 3. A beautiful fish and is a tasty one as well. It's not grow bigger. It's like only what you see the picture, what we show on the first. Just cast out. You can see the floater there. You have to adjust the floater according to the depth of the water, so you're not stuck on the rocks. I use here only 4 gram of weight. Another one hook on. So 4 gram of the weight with the line. I'm using fluorocarbon here with sabiki kind of small size hook number 10. And here we go again. Cast out. Okay. Let's hook on again. So size number 10 hook, sabiki kind, you can make is a handmade one. You put the floater according to the depth of the water and use the bread, the dough. You can buy any bakery, it's only for 1 dirham, or you can make by yourself. Only need flour and water to make it. There's another one on. It's continuously bite. Actually, I was there for family vacation, just for camping kind of purpose. So I fish. I get a lot of friends. So here is one of friend from South Africa having a lot of fishing stories. So I cut most of the video because I get too many friends around me. Everyone coming and watching. So what's going on, and once too many people came here for fishing, so I decide to left. So he was a nice friend, talking a lot of stories and enjoying the catches. He was happy. Hopefully you people also like this video. So when I see my surrounding, too many people came for fish, so I decide to leave. And some people was asking for the fish, but this small aquarium kind of fish, so I just catch and release. Hopefully for the next time we will do another fishing. Thank you for watching.